first sample I'm going to go through is booking golf tee time through the Role Center. So from the Role Center you have the list of the products, and in this case I see all available products in the system. This could be limited to by the user, so some users might only see golf, some users might only see spa, etc., depending on their business area on the property or in the company. So from the product list you can choose the product, and then the lower section here on the screen, make that a little bit bigger, and I'm gonna turn off the cues so I get more real estate. So from here I see then the availability for the golf tee time. So each day we have a date, we have the day of the week, we have the time and price for that particular time, and availability for slots for that tee time. So for searching dates, the user can actually go to a specific date. They can also go to a specific weekday. So let's say if the customer is asking for a tee time next Wednesday, I can just simply click next Wednesday. And then the cursor goes to the next Wednesday. And from here I can select a specific tee time. Simply by just clicking here, new activity. Click on new activity. In this case, tee time requires a registration to the client or the member. So we select a customer, hit OK, and we have the reservation card. So here we see one line, which is the actual tee time. This is on the 28th at 9:22. And I've set up the tee time product to open up the reservation card, because it's quite common that you're booking more than one tee time. So you might be adding a second person here, and I don't necessarily have to register that as a member, so I can just enter the name, and I can click on here, copy previous product, and it simply copies the first line. So I got a second tee time. Then I hit confirm the reservation, and we got a confirmed reservation. So we go back to the Role Center. We can see we have reserved 2 slots here, and we only have 2 slots left for tee time at this particular date. So this was a sample of reserving tee time from the Role Center. Now I'm gonna do the second option from the Role Center, which is reserving appointments from the matrix. So we have a matrix view here on the top menu. I'm just gonna click on matrix, and the matrix shows availability graphically. So this availability, I'm just gonna expand the screen here. So this availability view shows the availability by the player slots, player 1, 2, 3, 4 in golf, and I can actually scroll down the matrix for the next dates. I can also go to a specific date in the calendar, and I can simply book the appointment from here. So I'm going to book a tee time here at 9:15. I simply click on 9:15 cell. It gives me then the list of the products available for this from this matrix, which is the golf tee time. So I'm just going to select 18 holes tee time, and then say exactly the same process as through the Role Center. I select the client, and we get a reservation card for this particular tee time. So now I simply just hit OK, and we have a tee time booking here. As we can see, we got a new reservation here at 9:15. I'm also going to add make another tea time, and this time the customer is asking for wants to add the golf cart as part of the tea time reservation. So I'm just going to select here, open tea time 9:52. Sounds like a good time. Select 18 holes. The customer. From here I can either search for the customer if I have the client already registered, or I can create a new client from this view here. But I'm simply selecting something that is already registered. And now I got a reservation for this tea time. In this case, this client wants additional products. They want to add the golf cart reservation to their golf cart to the reservation. So I'm just going to hit here select, which means this golf cart is added to the reservation, as you can see, and just hit OK. And now we have a reservation which with the addition of a golf cart. And in this case, in these cases, I was only booking without payment, and then these reservations can be picked up at the POS and finalized through the point of sale.